How to avoid Zipcar late return fees. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In the official website of Zipcar, it's written what happens if I return late. Here, it's written if you're 1 to 60 minutes late, you'll need to pay 50 USD. And likewise, 61 to 120 minutes late, $100, and then 121 plus minute late is $150. And to avoid, what you can do is open the app, log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll find your driving status. There, beside booking, you'll find extend. Click on extend in that. After you've clicked on extend, you'll find 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 1.5 hours, or 2 hours. Simply select the one you prefer. It will also give the pricing, and then click on confirm and pay. After you confirm and pay, you're good to go. This is how to avoid Zipcar late return fees. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.